There is a certain kind of resilience born in these hills. It is the quiet hustle before the mist clears, the late nights spent, turning a single spark into something real. But even the brightest ideas need the right support to grow. The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 7.0 is here to help you take that next step. More than a competition, it is an opportunity to access mentorship, funding, resources, and a powerful network designed to help your business scale. Launched by the Government of Meghalaya, this flagship initiative supports innovative entrepreneurs who are ready to create impact and generate employment in the state. Through a 9-month incubation program, selected startups will receive the guidance and support needed to take your business to the next level. If you are a resident of Meghalaya with an existing business that is less than 6 years old and you are building innovative, scalable solutions with the potential to create jobs, this is your moment. The top 100 selected startups will gain access to a comprehensive ecosystem of support. From business grants of Rs 3 lakhs for the top 50 startups and Rs 1.5 lakhs for the next 50 startups, and expert mentorship to startup tools, market access, networking opportunities, co-working spaces, and professional support services. You'll receive capacity building through workshops and bootcamps, opportunities to connect with investors and buyers, media visibility, exposure visits, and exclusive startup credits. Apply now for the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 7.0. Step 1. Visit the Prime Meghalaya website www.primemeghalaya.com. Step 2. Click on CMECC 7.0 Apply Now. Step 3. Enter your details and click on Create an account or Sign up. Step 4. You will receive a message on your email confirming your registration. Step 5. You will need to verify your email by clicking on the Verify button. Step 6. Click on Draft to save your details and complete them later, or click Next to proceed. Step 7. You will be redirected to the application form. Step 8. Complete all required fields marked with a star and click Submit. Note down your registration number displayed on the top right corner of the application page for future reference. Step 9. If you are unable to complete the application in one sitting, click Save to save your draft application. You can log in later using your credentials to complete and submit the application. Step 10. Once successfully submitted, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen and a confirmation email on your registered email address. Step 11. Note down your registration number displayed on the top right corner of the application page for future reference. The last date of application is 15th September 2026. Apply now.
Menteri Rangba Gejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma haka arpuso terik unailar arhajar arpun rio. Kabadiga sni sedang jong dorbar senrai ula ay ka Suo Moto statement haka ba ula pentip shigidikot jeng dorbar ba sorkar jelak la shimkia lo kejing ikam tombor na kejing ya rally ki tok ke belong da ka KSU haka khat khandai terik unailar arhajar arpun rio. Ulang baka office jong Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills kala ajing bed hadin baka KSU kelete akular ba ka Jingkren ya kaniga rally kan long ka bajai-jai. Mereka tu kani gerunar gila le ki kam tombor kentup ke jing kawang mau ki laipui teli kali bagi jing tombor ki briu ke bayat bayeng. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulang bahadian ba kilami kini ki jingja. Ki pulet hakani hikamet kila kami President, Vice President, but General Secretary ke KSU. But pengat apa ki kenon beper jong ke BNSS, but ke Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order MMPO Act. Ulang ru basanwut ki brio ki belaka lagi dur kemat, ladap ben itu kum ki beren keti ki kam tombor. But ke sorkar kelap tungru, ya ke kenhuan Special Investigation Team, ban itu bat toket ya baru ki runar ki beren keti ki kam tombor. Bat ban penti kena bagin syak penstom kat kum ki kendon an. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakal denduk ke jingelang hapneng gejala Meghalaya bat asam ak arpu artek nailar bat ya ke jing pakang yak surak ke jorabat bala penlong de kenun na asam lalak benweng no menta. Nalor kani hak arpu lai terek usembut Menteri Rangba Gejelau bekemi agat tenat transport ubak senyau balang dhar. Lalu ikajingilang baki kinuhun na Meghalaya, haga bagi lamanjor ban wengno ikajingaki bat ansa penlong ru ikajingilang bat kikinuhun baper tayo baar jung unay lur, menetai sani halor kiway pat kiman. Conrad kongkal sangmau lakular bagi sorkar jela kan cemigi senjam man pentikna bagi runar gibaran keti ki kam thombor, kinsya pensaja kat kum ki kendon an.
The government of Meghalaya has constituted a special investigation team to identify and investigate all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for attacks on Assam registered vehicles, and to ensure their prosecution in accordance with law. The SIT is headed by the IG Law and Order. Further, to ensure normalcy between Assam and Meghalaya, a joint meeting was held on the 22nd of August 2026 between the two delegations headed by Deputy CM Meghalaya and Senior Cabinet Minister from Assam, Shri Atul Boraji, and Deputy CM, Shri Snobalang Dharji, which was attended by the respective Chief Secretaries and senior officials. Based on the meeting, the road blockade at Jorabat by the Assam associations was called off, leading to resumption of normalcy in the movement of essential commodities across the state. A dedicated hotline between Assam and Meghalaya has been established. Permanent district-level joint committees will be constituted, comprising the Deputy Commissioner Nongpo and the Deputy Commissioner Kamrup Metropolitan, along with police officers of the corresponding level from both districts, to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly. A joint committee comprising the Commissioner, Secretary-level transport authorities of both states, along with representatives of the Tourist Vehicle Association, will be constituted to facilitate and regulate tourist transport movement and safeguard the shared tourism interests of Assam and Meghalaya. Further, yesterday, a meeting was chaired by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge Transport with the Meghalaya Association, in which the associations agreed to withdraw the agitation, which resulted in normalcy in the movement of vehicles. And the next meeting, along with the association, will take place sometime in the second week of September to further discuss other matters. Sir, also on this front, I would like to assure the members of this august House, as well as the citizens of our state, that the unfortunate incident that took place is something that the government has taken strong note of. We have been swift in the actions that have been taken by us, and we want to ensure and assure the House and the citizens of our state that the government will take all steps and leave no stone unturned to ensure that the miscreants who were involved and indulged in the violent activities will be brought to justice. Thank you.
Watching everyone around you become parents while you're still waiting for your turn can be painful. You've tried the medicines, consulted the doctors, followed the advice, and still you're waiting for that positive pregnancy test. And you start wondering Will it ever happen for us? If you've been trying to conceive and feel like you've tried everything, take the next step with personalized guidance. Book a consultation with Dr. Arpita Sarma and the Janitva IVF team to understand what your next step could look like.